So we talked about Audace,
Yeah.
Supreme Cut. We talked about Fiero, primer and super refinishing, and now we're going to talk about the medium cut compound for sensitive paints, Leale or Leale.
Oh, yeah, right.
Tell me about this wax, filler and silicone-free product.
Yeah, of course, Leale is also contain cold cut technology with of course Audace, and so it's been created on the same base, okay? But you can think about these medium compounds that could be easier to produce, to engineer, to design. Instead, that's not true, because the medium compounds is more difficult in some ways. What I mean that find the right balance between cutting action and finishing action is not so simple without waxes, without silicones or filler. So the right balance with the cold cut technology, I have to choose different kinds of powders. Well, it means that I have to increase the range of possibility of surfaces where you have to work, we have to polish, so removing scratches until 2000, 2500. Okay, so medium scratches on soft surface and also on hard clear coat also. So high range of scratches and wide range of surfaces together, of course. So this is not been so simple to create. And
I can imagine, to find the balance,
Yes, find the balance. With Fabio and other testers, they've done a great job because testing tell me the feedbacks, the right feedbacks to create the right balance. So for all the line, we almost we done more than 100 different tests, modification, more lubrication, more cutting please, so more this, less this. Has been a very hard job.
So we test, so you get the best.
So Reggy, you tested Leale on different kinds of surfaces, and winter season and summer season. You can tell me what about the easy wipe-off action of Leale?
Yeah, well, during all the tests, one thing came out is that it was easy to wipe off all year round. Every single humidity and temperature we tested, wipe off was very easy. So I congratulate him for creating this on top of a medium cut compound for sensitive paints. Because the wipe off of a sensible paint is very important. If you get troubles during the wipe off, you might create damages you are previously trying to remove. So I commend you for reaching that result inside this product.
So very good cutting power and very good finishing, and also very good wiping off, very easy wipe off.
Easy wipe off.
Yes, exactly.
Now we know everything about Leale, why it's so special, what its traits are, and now move on to the most important part, how they handle themselves on the front line. So let's go to war in paint correction systems and take with us Audace, Leale and Fiero. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.